As TikTok faces a possible ban, another ByteDance-owned app was on the rise. The Lemon8 app quietly rose into the top 10 app ranking, albeit briefly. Is it a possible backup plan for ByteDance? NTD Sean Marshall has more.
Just a couple of days before a TikTok ban was blocked in the Senate, another Chinese app became popular, Lemon8. Another app under parent company ByteDance moved into a top 10 position. It has a blog style and is a mix of Instagram and Pinterest. Tech specialist Burton Kelso filled me in on how Lemon8 is also similar to popular Chinese app Little Red Book.
And they want to take that popularity of Little Red Book, which is a popular social media network in China and Europe, and they want to see if they can have that same success in the U.S. with Lemon8.
The New York Times reported ByteDance sent messages to social media influencers to tell them about the new app. Messages said, ByteDance, the parent company of TikTok, invites you to become a launching creator on their new Lemon8 platform before it officially rolls out in the United States.
I mean, do you blame them, though, for coming up with another app? I mean, for a large company, it's cheaper to pay an influencer to advertise a product rather than to come up with a large marketing campaign in order to push a product out there. As I mean, you're talking thousands, as far as a particular product where you may be paying an influencer, hundreds of dollars to push a product.
ByteDance messages to social media regulators also said that they are using the same recommendation engine that helps TikTok succeed. Lindsey Gorman, a former tech advisor for the Biden administration, gave this assessment of the Lemon8 app. According to the New York Times, it's a social media platform like Instagram. It has to do with gathering information on users, and it has the same ownership structure, being a child of ByteDance. So I think the same issues are going to come up. Sean Marshall, NTD News.